WTVB says the Coldwater Planning Commission is talking about taking steps to ban farm animals within the city limits. No action was taken at Monday night, but Commissioner member Chris Stevens said he'd like to see City Planner Dean Walrack draft a stricter animal ordinance that gives the city more enforcement capability. Stevens says there have been issues with the past and he's received a number of complaints. He believes the current ordinances are too vague. Specifically, he wants the city to ban goats, horses, cows, and similar large farm animals. Jan Nageleder of Branch County Humane Society suggested that treatment of dogs also be added to the draft. The Banning Commission is expected to formally take up an issue at a later date.